Hey guys, I've been kayaking, and I figured I'd have a cigarette with you guys while I kayaked, which sounds like fun. So anyways, I have my little dry storage in my kayak. I'm out on a lake. It's a little bit windy, and I've already kayaked for about 3 miles or so. Today I'm smoking Marlboro Menthol Blacks. I hope y'all can hear me alright. It is absolutely gorgeous out here today. It is peaceful and quiet, and I kind of wish I would have brought some pot, but I didn't. So let's get going. It's an absolutely gorgeous lake. It's actually a chain of lakes, and I'm going from one lake to the other. I'm actually headed home right now, but it is just absolutely amazing out here. The wildlife and vegetation, it is gorgeous. And it's about 75 or so. It's not too hot. It's a nice breeze. Partly cloudy, so that it's not super duper, the sun's not beating on me. I've seen a couple turtles, an alligator, lots of fun stuff. I have a little protective case on my phone, so I hope the video comes out alright. I love kayaking. This is my new favorite pastime. Well, besides smoking pot and cigarettes and talking to you guys, now I can do all three at once. Smoke pot, smoke cigarettes, and talk to y'all all at the same time while I kayak. It works out well. So tell me what you guys like. Tell me if you enjoyed this new thing. Maybe I'll start a series where I can go out and kayak and go to interesting nature places and smoke cigarettes or get high or whatever. And yeah, let me know. There are possibilities. Oh, there was a fish right there. I don't know what it was. It was a big old fish though. So yeah, sorry you don't get any cool smoking tricks. But it's a little too windy for all that crap. If anybody's interested in going on a kayaking trip, let me know. I could definitely show you guys around. You'd have to rent your own kayak. But there's some awesome places in Central Florida to kayak. Lots of unexplored places that are very secluded and quiet, and yeah, it's a good time. Anyways, almost done with this. Let me know what you think. After I finish this cigarette, I'll show you some of the gorgeous sights that I'm looking at right now. Look at this. Oh, I'm going into the weeds.